You know, once in a while, people will send me stuff to have them check it out. Whenever they're offering me cameras and lighting and things like that, I always want to check it out. I've done some videos on some different lighting, but just lately, and I have to apologize because they sent me this quite a while ago, and it's just been sitting in here. I just haven't had a chance to do the video, but I'm going to do the video now. I'm going to unbox this. It's a security camera, and I got the perfect place for it right over here in my backyard. You know, as a drywall contractor and as drywall contractors and workers, we have a lot of tools. I mean, just these tools right here goes into over $2,000 just for these tools. Now, this head, all of this stuff is very expensive. So you want to try to keep it protected. And I live in the state of Illinois. They're terrible for people who aren't criminals. They're great for criminals. They just let you out. They just let you out. It's they're trying to pass this right now, this law right now, where you can just get out. So, you know, I have to be secure. I've got my wife. Right now, tools, grandchildren. I like to be safe. I really do. So I've got a place that I'm hooking this light up. I'm going to show you the light and everything else in the camera. I really hope it works out well. We'll see. It has the instruction booklet in here. I was reading through it. It's actually pretty good. A beautiful camera with some LED lights. I think this is going to be really nice. I think it's going to work very well. So I'll hook this all up right around the corner over here. So I got it all hooked up. It was very simple to do, very simple. The quality is high definition, and it is incredible. I'm looking at myself right now on this camera, and I hope you can see this. I'm gonna try to get it to you. I'm hoping it comes through very well. I don't know with all the reflections and things like that. But it hooked up really easy. Just follow the instructions. If you're not sure about hooking it up to your electrical, because I had to put a box extender to extend it out a little bit. It was set too far in, but I was able to do that. If you're not comfortable doing that, find somebody who is. It's really simple. You guys, the connection for this will be in the description. Just look in the description. You'll be able to find this product really easy. I think I'm really gonna like this. That's my backyard. When I touch this, it gives me a very close up, and I can move around. I mean, I'll tell you, you can zoom in so well. The picture is just absolutely incredible on this thing. I really like it, but it does have some pros and cons. I'm still not sure how to set it up so the light comes on with the sensor. It seems like you have to set a timer for the light, but I can sit there with my phone and turn that light on and off. It does have a lot of neat features. It detects people right away. You can get a cloud for this thing. It does work very, very well. I really like it. I really like it. So, hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right, subscribe. Have a great day.